Hi guys. This is the final, really final post of the school year. It's kind of bittersweet in the fact that end of the school year we should be happy and joyous and all that other good stuff that you normally are associated with being on summer break, but also kind of sad too. The fact that we didn't have closure. I think that's one of the difference between this year, this class compared to past, where it's kind of hard to, at least for me at least, to be completely, happy and satisfied with the year, knowing that we really didn't get a chance to finish it and, see closer to the school year. I think some of the best lessons, I think we made good for what we could do it with, but some of my favorite lessons to teach are some of the things that we were going to be doing in the fourth quarter with, Vietnam, with actually being in the classroom together and going up in the 80s and doing a 90s day and the war on terror, which we really didn't get to. So it's kind of a shame. But anyway, I hope you guys all have a wonderful summer. Be safe, be smart. I do appreciate all of your guys' hard work this year. I know I ask a lot out of you guys with technology and station activities and moving from this thing to that thing and um, thinking. So that is appreciated. I appreciate. I mean, I'm third period and fifth period were both really good classes. I enjoyed having you guys and getting to know all of you. I know for some of you guys I had as freshmen in global. It's nice to have students 2 years in a row, but also for the kids that I've had for the first time. It's been a pleasure having you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the class. Hopefully that you liked it. Um, that's one of my goals is trying to make learning relevant and trying to make learning fun. You guys, I hope you guys saw. I love history. I love teaching. I love being at school. It's something I'm really passionate about. So hopefully you saw that in me throughout the course of the school year. Um, yeah, and so anyway, I think we all have those life-defining moments. And I know being in our class, we learn a lot about things that happened over 100 years ago, and some of it's current, some of it's not. We have obviously the Pearl Harbor generation. They believe they won't forget where they were at with Pearl Harbor when 60s when JFK was assassinated. Um, MLK when he was killed. Um, 9/11 was an iconic day in my lifetime. But for you guys, experiencing and dealing with like this is something that's unprecedented. Um, it's gonna be it's history. It's gonna be things that your kids and grandkids are gonna be reading about, and with you having the ability to go out and share your experience about what you saw and what you experienced and kind of what happened, and a lot of these things that you're going to be learning that a lot of these things next year when you guys go to government, a lot of these things you're going to be learning about again. 'Cause a lot of it had, you're seeing states and federal government each doing their own different guidelines and things. So anyway, this week what I'm gonna ask you guys to do, there is a class survey that I'm gonna ask you guys to fill out for me. Be honest. You don't need to put your names on it or anything. But I'm gonna ask you guys to kind of just be honest with me. Kind of what you liked about the class, what you didn't like about the class, some things about me, and just some things about just the class in general. What you thought. I do read these things. I do take them to heart. I'm always constantly trying to evolve and improve as an instructor. So I'm looking forward to your guys' feedback, kind of what you thought. Um, so anyways, if you fill that out for me, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, late work. Grades don't have to be finalized until the early part of June. So if you could have grades in by June 3rd or 4th, that way I can finalize those in Power School. And do me a favor, if you end up completing anything that is late, please send me an email. When I get Google Form things from you guys, I don't get any type of notifications. So just let me know. Hey, Myers, I did Red Scare extra ticket. Just letting you know, so that way I know to open it up and I know to check. Especially something that's kind of that's really late. So do me that solid. So really, I guess so. Again, your only time for the week is to do the survey for me. That's posted under the same post as this video. All right, I told you guys the first day of school when we did this, or I'm sorry, the first week of school. I played for you guys the first day of the in the beginning part of the school year, and I play this song for you again at the end of the school year. In the beginning part of the school year, I asked you guys to do a tissue box project on the Billy Joel song "We Didn't Start the Fire." I told you guys a lot of the lyrics in the song are going to be things that we're going to be talking about over the course of the year. Not all, but a lot of them we will. So hopefully we're going to play this song again for you guys, and hopefully you'll have some context. Oh, I know what this name or this place or this person means in terms of the context of Billy Joel. Again, Billy Joel was a baby boomer. He was born after World War II. And remember the the purpose of the song, "We Didn't Start the Fire." On how the world's always have had its problems and have always had big events and influential and controversial people. Each generation kind of blames the one before. Hey, well, they caused this. Well, let's just, and we all kind of blame each other. So anyway, I'll play the song for you guys. Here we go. I'm gonna sing this song too. I love this song. I don't care if you judge me. Every Truman, Doris Day, Red China, Johnny Ray, South Pacific, Walter Winchell, Joe DiMaggio, Joe McCarthy, Richard Nixon, Studebaker, Television, North Korea, South Korea, Marilyn Monroe. Come on, Coco, let's sing it. Rosenberg's H-Bomb, Sugar Ray, Hamlin, John Brando, The King and Knight, and The Catcher in the Rye, Eisenhower vaccine, England got a new queen, Marciano, Liberace, Santayana, goodbye. You know you want to sing it. Vaperon, Tuscany, Don Cron, Bien, Ben, Fu, folks, rock around the clock. Einstein, James Dean, Brooklyn's got a winning team. Davy Crockett, Peter Pan, Elvis Presley, Disneyland, Fargo, Budapest, Alabama, Khrushchev, Princess Grace, Peyton Place, Trouble in the Suez. Little Rock, Astronaut, Mickey Mantle, Terry West, Sputnik, Drew and I, Big on the River Five, Lebanon and Charles de Gaulle, California, baseball, stock, weather, homicide, children of the Lammerite. Holly Bender, Space Monkey Mafia, Hula Hoops, Castro, Edsel is a no-go. U2, Singing Paola Kennedy, Chubby Checker Psycho, Belgians in the Congo. Hemingway, Eichmann, Stranger in a Strange Land, Dylan, Berlin, Bay of Pigs Invasion, Star Saudi Arabia, British Beatlemania, Ole Miss, John Glenn, Liston Beats, Patterson, Pope Paul, Malcolm X, artists, politicians, JFK, blown away, what else do I have to say? Ho Chi Minh, Richard Nixon back again, Moonshot, Woodstock, Watergate, punk rock, sailing to the sky, and terror on the airline, Ayatollahs in Iran, Reagan's in Afghanistan, Wheel of Fortune, Sally Ride, heavy metal, suicide, Urban Death, homeless vets, AIDS crack, burning death, hypodermics on the shore, tennis on the muscle, rock and roll, rock on the wall, I can't take it anymore. All right. So anyway, hopefully a lot of those terms, you should have some context understanding. That was Billy Joel's his compilation of all the things that happened in his life, and that someday, when you guys, are older, maybe have your own kids or maybe even grandkids, you might start kind of self-reflect on your guys' own life and notice, all the things that have happened in your life, the pop stars, athletes, celebrities, countries that have had a positive or negative effect in the world, influential people, and big events like this will definitely, be in your last song. When you kind of reflect about all the things that have happened in your guys' life. All right. So anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed the class. The good thing is that you guys are only sophomores. You'll be juniors next year. Um, you know, don't be strangers. If you guys need anything, don't hesitate to come down to my room, even if I don't have you as a teacher next year. At the very least, come and just say hi. I know the ending of this year kind of just, wasn't ideal. So I hope you guys are all doing okay. If you guys need anything, even over the summer, I know this is, a lot to handle, mentally, even, scary times and being isolated from people and kind of being thrown off your norm. Um, if you guys need anything, email me, whatever you got to do. I'm here for you guys. All right. So again, finish the survey. And I'll see you guys next year. Adios.